Hi everyone, welcome back. In today's video, working on the floor, but there's something important that I need to work out. First, let's get a mix. Let's go inside and talk. Now, as I approach the front wall with the tiles, I've got to start now considering what I'm going to use to block up underneath this beam, main beam going across. Previously mentioned, we've got some damage there and it's in urgent need of some support. So here's what I'm thinking. At first glance, I was thinking blocks. Blocks are okay, but it's getting a strong enough bond going up the wall without it sticking too far out into the room. I think posts will be maybe less intrusive and will pick up on the design as well, although I could, if I used the blocks, make them look like they've always been there, but that'd be another video. So at the moment I'm thinking if I use block work here, I need to leave a bigger area for the foundation around the base. So yeah, at the moment I'm thinking timber posts, nice big strong timber posts. One each side, one halfway underneath, one here, and then a header going across connecting the two. That way it'd support the beam and keep it open as best as possible. Okay, I've got that in the back of my mind. I also need to get this fridge moved out of here. I can clear this out myself, but I'm going to need someone to give me a hand with the fridge. I've got just a person. He'll be making an appearance very shortly. First, let's get some tiles down, warm my hands up because it's minus at the moment, but it is warming up and we've got some snow forecast tonight. Oh, shame I ain't got that fire going in here. The more I progress, the more I think I'm going to have enough tiles for this centre section to the wall and maybe a few over to start incorporating it to the left and the right, maybe the fireplace. We will see. First, a quick tidy up here. We'll wet this area down because it's dried out significantly now, which is a good sign. Let's see whether the hose will reach inside. Wash my hands while I'm at it. Oh, it's cold. Stop it drying out too quick. Oh, at this stage my hands have gone numb. Any trouble when you're using water in this weather? Not so bad inside. These are the underside. Just need damping down. So very absorbent, which is part of their beauty. Allows them to breathe. Just gives us a little bit longer to work the lime. Yeah, quite a wide gap there now. Might have to move that over again. Yeah. It does show the bond needs coming to the left slightly. That's okay. Have to get some gravel in there. I think this is the bedrock here, so we're pretty much governed by this point, but we've still got enough tolerance. Just got to slightly make that side up. Baby, it's cold outside. This is the bit that wakes you up. Keep washing the lime off. Can't wear gloves, can't touch the camera. Oh, I need a bit of a warm up. Sam's made some lovely homemade pumpkin soup, so I'm going to pop inside, have a quick cup of that, and I'll see you in a second. Yeah, got to keep warm. Oh, that's better. Right, let's get going. And don't forget to subscribe to Sam's channel. The link will be in the description. She's doing some great stuff, great recipes as well, tried and tested by me. And I do like my food. Well, what do you think? It's coming out great, isn't it? It looks like we've got enough tiles to get to the front wall with all the reds, which is a big relief. Got several stacks dotted about, so that just gives me a bit more flexibility on the other areas. I'm getting to the point now where I'm going to need some additional muscle to get this fridge out so I can continue back this way. Okay, yeah, I don't want to come any further in case I tread on them. So I've got some stacks there, we've got some over there, and we've got a few stacked there to do that amount there. Now I've just checked the weather forecast and it said we've got snow on the way. Not quite sure how accurate that is. There is cloud, there was no cloud this morning. Yeah, keep me on that. The cavalry has arrived.
Right, mate, how's it going?
How's it going?
Yeah.
This
How's
is my
everyone?
son Tom. Yeah. He's come to help me do the lifting.
Yeah, I've been on the channel before now.
Yeah, Tom's been on the channel before.
Over the years.
So Tom was an estate agent and we used to go around looking at properties and we used to talk about it as we went around, and that was rather interesting and good fun.
Yeah, it was. I did enjoy those property tours.
Yeah, he's been out on many trips with us, all over France, Spain, Portugal. We've been all over the place, in Germany as well. Today, we ain't going very far. We're just going in the cottage, mate. So I'll need you to give us a lift. I'm going to get the fridge out of there, into there, so I can carry on with the flooring.
Okay, let's move this fridge.
Yeah, walk this way. Right, what I'll do, Tom, if I shuffle it out onto these rails, I'll get on the back side, you get on that side, and we'll just slowly work it to the door. Yeah. I'll just steady those that end, just put your feet on it, that's it. They shouldn't move too much. Actually, you might be better this end.
Yeah.
I might be better on that side. I'll just lean it back, you take the weight. But I'll get it further out that way first, sure. So work smart and hard. Put it down any time you want. It sounds quite awkward. Right, I'm going to try and get this under. We'll need a hand getting it into the barn, Tom. This bit's okay. There we go, all right. Just gonna spin it around here. I can do this. Okay. Now the trick is to spin it around so I can get the sack barrow out. Be on Strictly next.
Yeah.
There we go.
You got it, mate?
Yep. Brilliant. Leave that there for now. Yay. Nice to have a cameraman as well. Come on, let's get inside the cottage. It's freezing out here. Well, what do you think? Made good progress, aren't I?
Yeah, you did a good job, mate. Yeah.
Getting there.
It's really changed how it looks in here.
Kind of defined the area a little bit more now.
Yeah.
I was a bit apprehensive about the amount of red tiles I had left to get to the front wall, but I think we're okay now.
I know, I watched the videos, mate.
So he says.
Don't miss one of them. But yeah, they look really bright, didn't they?
Yeah,
Quite a bit.
very nice.
Nice colour.
Yeah. It'll be nice to get the floor down and then start working on the fireplace as well.
Yeah, it'd be nice to get that fireplace done before Christmas, wouldn't it?
Sure would. That's the aim, to try and get it ready for Christmas.
Yeah.
You know, so Santa Claus can have an easy access down there. But yeah, we're not too far away from it, you know. It is deceiving on how long certain things take. We've got to sort this beam out as well. I've got to purchase 2 timbers and a header. So once we get that in, I can continue with the flooring.
Yeah.
The floor needs to start setting so that obviously we can start walking and operating again. That fire weighs quite a lot, so.
Yeah, well, if you need a hand lifting it and moving it.
Yeah. Well, that fridge being moved has certainly gave me a little extra space there to work. Well, cheers mate for giving us a hand.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Nice bit of space there now. I can continue with the flooring. Don't know whether we're going to get any snow.
We could do. Yeah,
It is forecast.
Yeah.
Cloud coming over.
Bit of sunshine now.
Yeah. Anyway, that is it for this video. Thanks for your help, mate. And you might be seeing Tom a little bit more in some of the videos upcoming. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.